Good morning, everybody. This is truly a raw, unedited video, and that's what I really love to do for YouTube. Today's message is insightfulness. It's really looking inward towards yourself, which it always is my message. Hi, I am Teresa Gagnon, your yoga guide. Big question. I get a lot of people saying, oh, I'm inflexible, I cannot possibly do yoga. Yoga is for the inflexible, to create a understanding of your abilities so that you become more flexible mentally, physically, and in the world of course, think about it, soulfully. So whenever you're feeling stuck, that's just by your own free will, by your own choice, your own deciding to be stuck. And it is by that free will and your creativity and your ability to, guide yourself and be your own leader. That's all up to you. And I know a lot of people but you want to blame the rest of the world for your inflexibilities because of certain limitations that seem to be out of your control. But I'm going to say, let's back it up. Let's see what we are in control of, and that is definitely how we love ourselves, fuel our body, whether we're eating healthy, drinking healthy, and educating ourselves healthfully, and really ingesting things that are outside of our scope, whether we're observing things that are, from a kind heart. So like I said, we have no control over anybody else outside of, ourselves. Our free will is ours, their free will is theirs, but what we do have the ability to do is to love ourselves. And that's pretty much all that the world demands, the universe, the God as you know it, demands of us, or not demands, but is really just waiting for us to do, is to love ourselves. Imagine a world of love. And I say this in every single episode. So remember, today, to be quiet, take some time of introspection. Look at yourself from that place of heart. Decide if you are truly making clear choices in each step that you take, or are you just blindly diving into the day each day without realizing you got to wake up and be responsive so that you're not reacting to your own self, your own being, your being. When you start doing things, are you doing them from a place of being content, loving? Yeah, this isn't new news. This has been talked about since all of our messiahs. Every person has talked about that has been, unfortunately, they've been, yeah. But if you look at our history of all those messiahs, all those people as you know it, right? All those leaders that have led into love, yeah, they've had some great messages. And if you could just learn to love yourself, then that message is heard. And I am today, too, the yoga guide of love. So join me on the mat through my subscription at teresagagnon.com, which is Love Now on the Mat, through yoga practices, mindfulness, meditation, and all that beautiful practice. And you be the change that you wish to see in the world by taking care of yourself first. Imagine that. Use your free will for the greater good. We are all here together, and I am the other you. I'll see you in the next episodes, and please share. The YouTube channel is specifically for the insightfulness of the yoga. Join me on the mat at teresagagnon.com for the actual yoga practices. All at the click of a button, just like this is. Again, namaste, I see you.